Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1 NBT4, add within 100, including adding a two-digit number and a one-digit number, and adding a two-digit number and a multiple of 10, using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. Understand that in adding two-digit numbers, one adds tens and tens, ones and ones, and sometimes it is necessary to compose a 10. Our essential question is, how can you subtract tens? Our I can statement is, I can use place value to add. And we're going to be reviewing Go Math Lesson 8.3 using the Big Go Math book pages 326 and 327. So let's get started with our Math on the Spot video. All right, so let's look in our Big Go Math book on page 326. This is a review. And we have an assignment that I'm going to show you after this that you'll be able to show what you know. So I have 60. We're going to do number 1 and number 2. I have 60. I'm going to take away 20. That minus sign lets me know that's how many I'm going to take away from 60. So I'm going to draw this first number. Let's draw a quick tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, how many am I going to take away? 20. 10, 20. So I don't have those anymore. So I can cross them out or I can just erase them. Now, how many do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 60 minus 20 equals 40. Okay, so I have 60 minus 20 equals 40. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 tens. Let's do one more. Let's do number 2. This time I have 70 and I'm taking away 30. 70 minus 30 equals. So remember, I have 70 and I'm going to take away 30. So I have 70, so I'm going to draw the first number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And I'm going to take away 30. 10, 20, 30. So I just erased them, but you can cross them out. Or if you have models, you can take those away. So how many do I have? 10, 20, 30, 40. 70 minus 30 is equal to 40. So that's 40 is the difference. And how many tens do I have? I have 4 tens. So of course the word tens is already there, so you would just write the number 4. Now, in your Go Math Standards Practice book, we are going to work on page P155. Of course, this will be in your Schoology, and you'll be able to type in the answer. So you can draw on a sheet of paper to show your work to help you come up with the difference. 40 minus 10 equals, you would type the number there and write the number of tens. Okay, give you a hint. You will not have the same number here as you will have here. Just like we did in the example. My difference was 40, but I only had 4 tens. All right, number 5, we'll read that one. Mario has 70 baseball cards. He gives 30 to Lisa. How many baseball cards does Mario have left? And I'll be honest with you, it looks very similar to the one that we just did together. He has 70, he gives 30 away, okay? And so, of course, we don't want the number of tens, we just want the number. The number is going to go here, okay? So this is what you're going to be working with today. That will be your grade in math for today. All right, first grade, Mrs. Fall will see you next time. Make sure that you do a good job with your math lesson today. All right.